Hey, welcome to E-Day with us here at UK. My name is Ben down at the Paducah Campus, and we're glad you joined us. Today, our students are going to introduce their experiment before we jump in. So thank you for joining us from the comfort of your home, and we hope you enjoy this wonderful day of E-Day.
Good afternoon. My name is Matthew Gilbert. I am the Vice President of AIChE, the American Institute for Chemical Engineers. This is Donovan McKinney. He is the President of AIChE. I'm also the President of the ESW, which is Engineers for a Sustainable World. It's more of a green technology thing. But because of that, we decided to team up and do a couple experiments for y'all. The first one we're going to do is going to be a self-inflating balloon. We will be taking baking soda and vinegar, and we will be combining them into a container with a balloon as the cap. And it causes a bunch of pressure to release, and that will go into the balloon, which will take place of your air that you would blow into the balloon.
All right, so we're going to get right into the experiment. So what I've got here is a bottle, and this can be any bottle. You can use a water bottle. We've just got these little bottles like this. And then I've got a little balloon. And so what I've already done is I've put the baking soda into the balloon with a funnel. And so once you've got that, you've got your little baking soda pouch here. And what I'm going to do is add to this bottle, which is empty, I'm going to do about a quarter cup or so of vinegar. Maybe not that much. Maybe a little bit less than that. But just a little bit in the bottom of your bottle. And so that's vinegar, and we're going to add this baking soda and watch the reaction. So what I'm going to do is put this over the top. And to make the reaction happen, just pouring it in like that. And the bubbles that's carbon dioxide gas caused by the reaction of baking soda and vinegar. And it's causing pressure expansion in the balloon. And
something to be cautious of to release this pressure. If you'll just take this bottle and stick it in your sink, turn it on its side, and then you can just poke it, and it'll pop the balloon. And that way you don't have to worry about taking it off or anything like that and hurt yourself.